The snow has finally melted, hopefully for good. We're gonna uncover the RV, which means camping season is just around the corner. We're so excited! Everything's getting real now. Okay, there you have it. It looks like a ginormous sleeping bag, but as you can see, I did it by myself, so you can do it too.
So one of the projects that we have to do in the springtime is de-winterize the trailer. Now, de-winterizing the trailer is work, but this is work that I really enjoy doing because it means we're going camping. But I hate the word de-winterize. I think I'd rather call it summer-ize, getting the trailer ready for summer. So from here on out, it's summer-ize. Summer-izing your trailer involves 5 components. We want to take care of all the plumbing, so make sure that we get the antifreeze out of the tanks and out of the lines, sanitize everything and get all the plumbing ready to go. Second is we want to get the propane up, filled up, running, clear the air out of the gas lines. Third is we're going to get the battery system up, we're going to get everything hooked up so that we're ready to charge and roll on all cylinders as far as coming to electricity. So the fourth component of summarizing your trailer is probably one of the most important because it involves safety. It's your tires. We want to make sure that the tires have enough tread. Look for cracks and bulges in the sidewall that can indicate that your tires need to be replaced. We'll want to torque your lug nuts to spec and make sure that your tires are inflated according to the sidewall, what it says on the sidewall. The fifth component is making sure you go around all the seals on your trailer. Look for any cracked seals or maybe any leaks. When you're cleaning your trailer, that's a good place to see if you do have any leaks. If you do, let's break them out and seal all those up again so you're ready for summer. So once again, that's summarizing your trailer.
But wait, there are things we need to get done inside the trailer. You know, like cleaning, stocking, and organizing. I actually enjoy this because I get so excited because that means adventure is just around the corner. Getting restocked. That's all John's camera gear. I'm gonna let him do that. John? This has gotta go. using our trailer for a year, all last season, we've discovered things that we really like about the trailer and things that we want to change. Now, you may think some of these changes are maybe a little bit crazy, or why are they doing that? But the whole idea is to make it so that it works better for us. And that's what's so fun about this, because maybe we'll inspire you to do some fun changes. Okay, so we're just starting to get the trailer ready for the upcoming season, and this has gotta go. So yes, our trailer's old, but this couch is old, uncomfortable, ugly. I can kind of live with that. But one thing is, it's dangerous. We were camping with our grandkids last summer, and we had the couch pulled out to be a bed, and my 2 granddaughters were sitting in it, and the couch bed folded up on them, and it was a horrible experience. They were screaming, I was screaming, their mom was screaming, and they were literally scrunched up in the bed. So this couch is gonna go today. This is what I call an upgrade. So as we're getting ready to get our trailer all ready for the upcoming camping season, you know, John and I were talking, and it's like, this table bench set has never really worked for us. It's uncomfortable, we usually don't sit at it, and what we usually use it for is we end up setting things on the benches to store them, and it just becomes a place to put things. Alrighty, so John got the benches out without too much trouble, and now we're left with this table. And so to optimize our space, we're thinking that really this table should be like this, just to allow us more space. So we're going to take this table out, and I think just replace it with another table that's going horizontal.
So this is up, with it up at bar height, which is kind of a fun option for us.
Yeah, it is a fun option. We could maybe get some bar stools here or something.
Right.
I like this size. I really like the size though low for the grandkids. That's fun.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, it's cute.
Their own little table.
Yeah.
And you know how they like to hang out in the trailer because of the novelty?
Right, they do.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun for them to come in and color. Let's say it was bad weather or something.
Sure.
So this is a great lifetime table. We'll leave the link below. We just discovered it, and I just think the 3 heights is going to work out great for us. Another thing we've done to our trailer is we had 2 really old rocking chairs that were here. So we've tossed those out, and we put another lifetime table in. No, we're not an affiliate, but we do love lifetime tables. But this is going to work out great because we're going to use this as kind of an editing station. We do a lot of our editing for the channel here in the trailer. So this is going to allow John and I room with the big window to be able to sit and edit and make it like really, really pleasant for us.
So we are done summarizing the trailer. There's one thing about this project and getting the trailer ready to go is that it's work I actually like doing, because what it means is that soon we're going to be out enjoying camping. So anyway, Holly did an awesome job today. Give me a high five.
We're ready to go, aren't we?
We are so ready to go camping.
So our main goal with today's video is to help you get excited about camping. You know, this time of the year, we're so excited to get our rig all summarized, because that means we're almost ready to go. So we hope we've helped to motivate you to go get your gear or your RV all ready for the upcoming season. You know, we would love to be a part of your summer camping season, and we would love for you to be a part of ours. So consider subscribing to our channel, and we will see you on the next adventure.